This is inside one of the stores right here. You can get, you know, a lot of different little materials and stuff like that. But let me show you guys how I get my order. How much you want? Cool? Yeah. Cool? All right, so we have just arrived at Meteor Box, and I'm gonna turn the camera. Meteor Box, they also have vehicles for sale. This is Esta Mi Amigo, and this is the Grande Pescado. All right, guys, just in case you guys thought that just because we're in Panama, we're in some hut with with freaking dirt roads, and we are at Super 99 right now. This is more of a more expensive store right here. And first stop of the day, we are going to Meteor Box. This is a place that you can pick up your mail, like you know, just envelopes or your freaking Amazon packages, because y'all gonna be shopping online and stuff. If you don't want it to get it lost and all of that extra stuff, you gotta sign up to something similar to Meteor Box or Fast Box and stuff, because they don't have a regular mail delivery system like we do in the United States. So just wanted to put y'all up on game with that one. All right, so we have just arrived at Meteor Box, and I'm gonna turn the camera. Meteor Box, they also have vehicles for sale, right? It's crazy, right? They got some decent type vehicles here that you can get too, even though this is the place that you would come and get your mail from. So we're gonna go inside. That's my beautiful wife right there. Got a doggo right there. I don't know if he bites. How you doing, sir? Good. All right. And this is literally where you would come. Hola, buenas. I don't know if you want to be on camera, so I'm gonna turn the camera. But you can get some coffee from here too. So pretty much they got a lot of stuff here. All right, so we just hopped out the whip right now. Just wanted you guys to see us pulling up to Reba Smith. We're on the outside and we're in the parking lot. This is why it's in the parking lot. And over there to the right, they have the electric vehicle chargers and stuff like that, so you guys can save the environment and do all that type of stuff, right? All right, guys, just in case you guys thought that just because we're in Panama, we're in some hut with with freaking dirt roads and dusty houses and stuff like that. This is actually civilization. As you can see, it's a real actual grocery store. You know, pretty much everything you need. Go down all the aisles, everything like that. So this place is called Reba Smith. Once again, look at all the cereal, all the chips down that aisle, and down there you can get the ice creams and all that. These are the checkout lines. They accept cards, tarjeta, debito, tarjeta, and all of that. Okay, so there's one of the attendants. Probably don't want to be on camera. And down this way where we're headed to is the ATM machines, so that we can withdraw some money. You understand? And here's the ATM machine. Everything looks normal. So just because you leave the United States, I know the propaganda is crazy in the United States, where it makes it seem as if everywhere else is just dirt poor and uncivilized and stuff. But y'all gotta come out of that mindset or you're gonna miss out on a lot of life, all right? All right, we have just made it to Metatazo Plaza. Let me get out of his way. This is Don Lee. They got some of the best like chicken and like Chinese food type situation and stuff. This is the entrance of Metatazo right here. Then down there, you have, what is it, Domino's Pizza? Or no, they got Leonardo's. I'm in the way of all these damn places. They got some clothing stores. All these cars looking like they gonna freaking like run me over. But yeah, we just come down this way right here. All right, this is the Metatazo place you go to grocery shop. Like we going in here to get some groceries, y'all. No gracias. You can get ATM money out here. There's like other restaurants and banks and stuff to your left and your right. Okay. Buenas. Okay. Buenas. All right, and as you can see, this is just another typical grocery store. We're gonna go down some of the aisles and stuff. I should have brought my microphone. I'll be forgetting y'all, my bad. But the people who are here are extremely nice, resourceful, helpful, all of that extra stuff. And And we come down the house, of course, and the single moms here don't look bad. No offense. They still look, you know, in shape and all of that type of stuff. And I'm just walking through, walking shoes, and all the produce all over. We come over here. This is where the pharmacia is, the pharmacy. And, you know, this is a nice place. Get your Huggy diaper game going. And let me catch back up with them. Yeah, this store you gotta go up and pull a number. Right here. Pull a number. Then I'm gonna come down, go down here so I can show you guys the meat selection. Pause. All right, so this is the cerdo. Cerdo, correcto? Disculpe. Permiso. Cerdo. Cerdo? Okay. Yeah, this is cerdo, the pork guys. And it starts with the pork, then as you go down, you got the ground beef and stuff like that. There's hella people here today, y'all. So forgive me, I'm trying to get y'all the best footage, but there's a lot of people. This is the ground beef. All right. Now, recommendation, guys. If you're going to get meat from the markets here in Panama, like the local beef is not where it's at. You understand what I'm saying? The local beef is like super tough. It's like a freaking tire. You're chewing on a tire or something like that. No disrespect to the country, but I don't know why the cows are like that. So what we do is we get our beef imported. We also eat lamb and all of that extra stuff. We get our beef imported from Argentina. Argentina got the best beef in the world, like second only to Japan. So we get it imported, and then I can get y'all that hookup as well. All right, but as far as everything else, like the chicken, you know, the chicken and everything like that it's super good, you know, and it's super like affordable and everything as well. So y'all can get everything you need here. So let me show you guys how I get my order. How much you want? Cool? Yeah. Cool. All right, so 4 kilo molida there is. So I basically just told them 4 kilos of ground beef. If you're rich, you come down here and get the special. But we get this one right here. Today is supposed to be a cheap day, but as you can see, it's a little bit higher than it normally is. It's usually $1.99. Not too bad, not too bad. All right, so guys, this part right here, I had to do a voiceover because as I was walking down the little plaza strip right here, they were playing their music, you know what I'm saying? But there's the veterinarian. You can get your dog the x-rays. If you need to get the legal papers for transportation to the airport and all of that, you will go there. If you need, you know, vitamins, flea killer, all of that type of stuff, you can go there. Then here's one of the more well-known little shops in the strip right here where you can go and get clothes. This little way right here, it leads upstairs. They have an upstairs to this plaza as well. I have yet to explore that one. And here's a little salon if you're trying to get your hair done, weave done, everything did, and you fancy now. Don't confuse that with T-Mobile in the United States. This is T-Mobile, but they do have phones and internet service for the home and cell phones too. This one right here is a little sports store. You can come here and get your punching bag, your jerseys, your snapbacks, all of those type of things, you know, a little bit of clothes. All right, so now we made an izquierda and left. And this is Trinity rental cars and everything like that. And this is a little restaurant. I don't know what they serve. Hola. And over here's some more places, some more shops and stuff like that. Yeah, this is the movie theater right here. They have some English speaking movies. Look at Captain America here. So yes, you can actually see the latest movies here if you guys still want to get out the house and go to the movies. And watch out. Then over there, they got a fitness place, a party place down there.
We'll definitely come back down here though.
Come on. Let's walk up to it real quick so you guys can see inside. This is not just some desolate land out of nowhere. That's our taxi driver right there. Say what's up, Prospero. Hey. Prospero, senor, my bad. Alright. And then we got the Mickey 17 movie. Whatever the hell that is. I guess that might be a local movie. The Mark Wahlberg movie. And we got the new Captain America movie and stuff like that. Like I say, they have the dubbed versions with the different languages, and they also have just flat out English versions. Just wanted to take a little brief intermission and give you guys a heads up that this is the multiplex, Cinelandia multiplex. That's what they call this movie theater right here. But guys, they pretty much have everything here that you have in the United States. You just gotta translate certain things. But if you're down for that task, then this is definitely a place where you can enjoy yourself as well. It's not just a place to move to escape the States. You can actually live a high quality life at a fraction of the cost. All right, we are back once again. Y'all saw us last time, step aside. All right, so as you can see on the sign, you can get the, it's turned around, but you can get the croaker, red snapper, you can get the shrimp, and you can get all type of other stuff. But this is the name of the place, and you know, they got hella specials and stuff like that. It's very affordable. And this bucket right here is pretty much like mountains of shrimp and stuff like that. And over there, in those buckets over there, that's where they have the gigantic fish. And they put it in this little weighing scale right here. He's about to set up. And then they'll clean it for you if you want them to. Knock off the cabeza, take the head off, and remove the bones for you as well. Pause. This is Esta mi amigo, and this is the grande pescado. Snapper. ¿Qué es?
Este es fresh.
Fresh. Okay. ¿Qué es?
Este no fresh.
It's not fresh?
Sí, este no
Okay.
fresh.
All right. Yeah, we'll take
Este sí fresh.
those. See. So we're gonna get these two right here. Yes. Okay. Perfecto. We are at Super 99 right now. This is more of a more expensive store right here, and you can get a lot of stuff from here. A lot of your American brands and stuff. Let me flip the camera around. Okay, we got the, you know, the pizza and, you know, the Eggos and the Hot Pockets and all of that little bad processed food stuff right here. You got pretty much everything that you have in the United States, as I said before. And we'll stroll down this way. They got the meat section over there, and as you guys can see, it's normal, man, because a lot of you guys talk to me and you ask questions about like what's it like and, you know, what type of food they have there. But as you can see right now, they got the same stuff that we have, right? We got the wedges. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get these for the kids, because I'm starting a carnivore diet. And I'll probably get, hold on, I know they like these kind. Let's see, we'll get the papa fritas, that's French fries, and that should be good for that right there. And they got the vegetables and all of this stuff right here for the stir fry. Oh, I forgot, they got the damn stuff around here for the fries as well, the savory ones. And let's move on. As you can see, they got the eggs, they got the hot dogs and all of that. This is the aisle with the tea and the beverages, meat. Boom, I'm gonna go ahead and, for the kids, go ahead and get a couple cup noodles. Yeah, we still keep it hood around here just for a couple days, because like I said, everybody's gonna start the carnivore diet now.